We are the Chicken Knights. We are the Chicken Knights. What up, guys? Great, the Flaming Crafter here, and here is another survival game. Joking, this is a survival episode with somebody special, guest, somebody you all know of as Golden Gaming, somebody that's doing something. Okay, so hello.
Wee. Let's jump. Okay.
Alright, this survival episode we will be doing something called Minecraft. And we must find more muttons. From now on we know that mouton is not mutton. Mutton is not mouton. And mouton
Let's go
is
find some mouton.
Mouton
is the best.
We have mouton, but we...
Can you please get a sword?
Wait, there's already mouton wool? That means we can already make a mouton bed.
You can get a mouton bed?
Yeah.
Okay, can I please have a sword? Like a bad one or something. I need a sword. I'm weak.
I know you are. Just go inside the chest. You'll find some tiny.
Okay, then.
Come a tiny. I made you a bed.
You did? Where's my bed? I don't have a bed. I'm so sad.
From now on, you want to join? Let's go into easy.
Easy?
Yep, I'm already in easy.
I'm not in easy, but whatever. It doesn't count what I am in.
Yeah, but you took the sword already?
Yeah.
I took my sword. Joking, I'll have to go mine for another better sword. Mine with the zombies,
I'll come with you. I'm gonna go find some iron.
Let's do it.
Wait, can I mine iron with a wooden pickaxe? Probably not, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stay in the house. I'm the landlord. I'm gonna watch the house. Make sure no one steals it.
Cause I am Batman. From now on, we shall always be on non-bobbing. Joking. I'll turn this back to 60. 15. And done. Cause we are fast. Cause we shall mine. Are you mining in here, right?
I'm flying. No, I'm just kidding. I'm flying.
Yeah,
Can you
you're
believe
flying.
it? Wait, how am I flying?
I don't know.
I'm flying in survival.
Time to find
Wow, that's actually quite cool. I'm flying in survival. Isn't that amazing? I'm flying. Ugly Gululu is mining.
Hey, Ugly Gululu is my name.
Exactly. Alright, I'm gonna
That's
go
not
get
my
myself
name.
a pickaxe.
That's not my name.
Okay, I'm going mining too. I gotta go get some stone to make better things.
Yep. Really. Oh. I have a sword. I crafted an epic sword of wisdom. I have a sword. Face the sun. I am God. I just put a dirt down. I am gonna go into my epic mode. Ba da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Recollect power. Whatever. I'm gonna go forward or that way. Da 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 da. Whatever goes. So anyway, buddy, we shall go and find something to build this house. I learned how to build a house when I was 60 years old.
Really?
Really? So anyway, I'm gonna be starting to find a stone axe, which I already have in my chest, and then I'm gonna go out and go adventuring. So after I collect some wood, I'll be right back. And we are back. Woohoo! Right? With me? Come on, more crickets. Good. Cricket. Okay, anyway, we will be going out to find some chicken. I just went out to go for something private. So, might as well go get some wood. So, time.
You got mushroom wood?
To flash. Yeah.
These are quite fat trees.
Yep.
Nice biomes.
And we shall go over across the land, across the seas, under the water, doing a 360 no scope, going back to our land, and going to over there to get that tree. For I am hungry. I don't know why. I need to eat something that's yummy, like wood. Oh,
wood is not yummy.
Yummy. Oh guys, as I said, you must check out my selfie shop to buy some graphics, aka GFX, which you can buy a thumbnail, animated graphics, a profile picture, or anything else. But if you guys aren't any YouTubers, you don't have to buy it. But there, you can buy banners. I haven't had that yet, but I have some other products. You could go do it. I have some other stuff. There's cool stuff. My website's soon gonna be finished, and voila. And also, I forgot to tell you, this is Golden Gaming. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, she forgot to introduce herself. Or I mean, I forgot to introduce her to you guys. For you guys are awesome.
And you deserve a good introduction.
And later on, you must subscribe.
Oh, yeah.
Like. And say something cool in the comment so you can win something free, which is something special, okay? Get an awesome, funny comment. We will actually give you something special for you. Like maybe graphics or anything else. Maybe we don't know. Maybe a photo of, or we could give you 3D renders or other stuff. But you must have a really good one, and yeah.
Yeah, you can show us something like really cool in the comments, and if we like it, we'll
give it to you.
And we might also give you a shout out in the video, in the next video.
Yeah.
But that's sort of obvious.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'm a natural born farmer, so I'm gonna grow some crops.
Yeah, go grow some crops right now.
So we can have enough to eat. I'm gonna get some carrots and potatoes and potatoes.
Where'd you get potato seeds?
I don't know, I just get normal seeds and then see whatever comes.
Well, normal seeds only get wheat.
Oh, really? What about carrots? I like carrots.
Carrots?
Carrots are cute. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what I just said. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. There's one last block, and you shall not go to waste. Ta-da! Our tiny little house is
beautiful.
Done.
Is beautiful.
Yeah. Hey, Aliskin, go get some coal.
I'm busy getting seeds. You
Really?
get coal. Yeah, I'm busy.
Well, I'm super hungry. Ooh, there's so much melons. Ooh, yummy. It's not really feeding me, but that should be enough to eat me up. Ooh, I'm so... Better eat up. Ah, yummy. I ate some up. And it's getting dark, Aliskin. Put the fire alarm on. We better start killing some zombies.
Fire alarm. I don't even have armor. I'm so sad. I don't have armor.
Yeah, sad. Me neither. Except I actually do. But I'm gonna eat eggs for dinners. This is gonna be my egg alarm. No. Better close the doors. I'm keeping an eye out. Hop. Yay, we got some food. But that's not a food. We shall wait for you to grow up. But for now, you shall never get out. No, perfect. There you go. Yep. I can't put it there.
What are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing. You tell me.
What are you doing?
I'm monitoring.
Monitoring. Aw,
Monitoring.
cute little chicken.
Monitoring the ting tong. But
Ding dong. Okay.
the sun goes down.
Stars come up. Blah blah blah.
This
blah,
video.
Blah blah blah.
We will end this video if we just survive this night. If we don't, we'll still end this video, but this chicken, I must keep an eye on it for the whole night. I shall keep it safe. Alright, Aliskin, you'll stay out there and guard it. Right now, I have to guard this chicken. It's
Wait,
my
so
best.
where do I go? Where do I go?
You just stay in the house and see if any bad guys come, and then you just kill them.
Like zombies?
Yeah. This video, I'm gonna watch this chicken. This night, he shall grow into a mighty knight. So I keep my sword ready to
Are you
tilt
sure
it
you're
on your
easy?
shoulder.
I don't see any guys.
Maybe I just don't see them too. God. Let's check them out. I'm not letting you out. Don't worry. I won't let you die. Don't worry. Don't worry, buddy. We are best friends, and we shall never leave each other. Buddy, pal, knight, soul, yeah.
Creeper swimming. There's a swimming creeper. A creeper going for a swim.
Anyway, I'm tired. Good night.
Oh my god, the chicken escaped.
Let's just go to sleep.
The chicken escaped.
I'm about to faint.
The chicken came out of the house.
Yeah.
The chicken escaped.
Yeah.
Do you even care?
What?
The chicken just left the house.
He did? Yeah! Mighty knight! I forgot to elbow you on the night. You are not ready to go out. You are not ready to go out. Yay, chicken! Buddy.
Did you see the swimming
Yay!
creeper?
You shall follow me, chicken, since I am your
Be careful of the swimming creeper.
chicken father.
Wait, how do you know that? How is it following you?
Because I have a seed.
Oh, that's so cute.
Now you shall not get out. Come on, take it. Ah, goodbye, goodbye. Oh, from now on he likes me. He's going back in there. Never mind. He's not. No. Oh, thank you guys for watching this show for survival episode. I don't know what number, but thank you. See you next time on survival episode 3, and like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Boop.